Hi there, I'm Miriam. Welcome to Miriam's Manor. I would love to share with you what I have learned about my three favorite hobbies: gardening, home decor, and literally everything Christmas. I would also love to hear your tips and learn from you as well. Let's learn together. Good morning, and thank you so much for joining me again today. So, today I wanted to talk to you about how you can get more tomato plants for free. So there, on every tomato plant, you will get what is known as a sucker growing on the plant. So a sucker is, let me see if I can get it, when a stem grows between the two stems here. So essentially, if you have two stems like this and another one starts to grow in between like that. So you can see this one here would be the sucker. So you can piece that off and take that out. These little suckers will stop the main stem of the tomato plant from producing as much fruit. So you want to peel those things off when you see them when you're pruning. So I did that with one about a week ago. I took this one off and I just put it in a cup of water in my front room in my house and had it sitting in there for about a week, and you can see it started to grow roots off of it. So I'm just gonna take this and replant it in some soil, and it'll grow into another tomato plant. So today I have prepared already my mix, and I'm gonna just put this in here, add a little bit more soil to it. Okay, and give it some water. And there you have it. A brand new tomato plant will grow from this one. Now, this one I let get kind of big. I usually pull my suckers when they're about this big. You can also put this in water as well when they're this small. But if you plan on using a sucker to transplant, sometimes it's just easier when you let them grow a little bit more and pull them off. And then that way the plant is already a little bit more mature when you go to put it in the water to let those new roots grow. So it's a really efficient and inexpensive way to grow your tomato harvest and your tomato garden. If you have found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. See you next time.